Commanding General Philippine Army made his official visit to the Aviation Hiraya Regiment today, October 6, 2020 at Fort Magsaysay, Nueva Ecija. Lieutenant General Cirilito Sobajana was accompanied by Colonel Andre Santos, regiment commander, as he led the commissioning of the Philippine Army's two newly donated R44 Raven light training helicopters. The rotary aircrafts will be utilized for the training of the incoming rotary pilot students of the regiment. The CGPA graced the closing ceremony of the aviation qualification course where 16 new Army aviators graduated. A part of the class will undergo rotary wing aircraft training in Fort Magsaysay while the rest will be deployed to the Special Mission Aviation Company in the Visayas and Mindanao. Sobajana commended the new aviators for completing the rigorous training. He also led the ribbon-cutting ceremony during the inauguration of the newly built administrative building at the Hiraya headquarters. He was also awarded with the Honorary Command Aviator Badge for his contributions and support to the Hiraya Regiment. The Philippine Army envisions to meet this demand of rapid response ground forces, supported by aviation capabilities. And, at the heart of this capability are the Army aviators. These pilots help the force effectively respond to security requirements, Lieutenant General Sobajana said in his remarks.